How to create a Windows system snapshot to troubleshoot iolo application issue. In some cases, in order to better assist you in diagnosing your specific issue, more information about your system is required. Please follow the steps outlined below to generate a report containing the pertinent information about your system. iolo Technologies, LLC only requires this data for support purposes and will not share, sell, or transmit this information to any other parties. Windows 10, 1. Right-click the Start button. 2. Choose Run. 3. Type misinfo32 in the dialog box and hit Enter. 4. When the System Information window opens, be sure System Summary is highlighted on the left-hand side. 5. On the top menu, click File. 6. Select Export and the Export as window will open. 7. In the File Name field, type System Snapshot. 8. Be sure text file is selected as the Save As type. 9. Click Save. 10. Compress the file and attach it to your email correspondence with iolo Technologies. Creating a .zip file using the Windows compression utility. 1. Locate the first file you want to zip. 2. Right-click on the file and select Send to Compressed, Zipped, folder. This will create a new .zip folder with the same name as the file. 3. Right-click any other file you want to compress and select Copy. 4. Right-click on the compressed folder you have created and select Paste to insert the file into the .zip folder. 5. Repeat this until your compressed folder contains all the files you want. Windows 8, 1. Go to the Windows 8 desktop. 2. Click the yellow folder icon on the taskbar. 3. Browse to C:\Windows\System32. 4. Locate and double-click the file misinfo32.exe. Note, if you have difficulty locating the file, click anywhere within the System32 folder and begin typing the file name misinfo32.exe. Windows will automatically highlight the file for you. 5. When the System Information window opens, highlight System Summary in the left-hand side. 6. On the top menu, click File. 7. Select Export and the Export as window will open. 8. By default, Windows will save the file to the Windows Documents folder. There is no need to change the location. 9. In the File Name field, type System Snapshot. 10. For Save As type select Text File. 11. Click Save. 12. Compress the file and attach it to your email correspondence with iolo Technologies. Windows 7/Vista, 1. Click the Start button. 2. Select All Programs. 3. Select Accessories. 4. Select System Tools. 5. Select System Information. 6. When the System Information window opens, highlight System Summary on the left-hand side. 7. On the top menu, click File. 8. Select Export and the Export as window will open. 9. By default, Windows will save the file to the Windows Documents folder. There is no need to change the location. 10. In the File Name field, type System Snapshot. 11. For Save As type select Text File. 12. Click Save. 13. Compress the file and attach it to your email correspondence with iolo Technologies. Windows XP/Home/Professional, 1. Click the Start button. 2. Select All Programs. 3. Select Accessories. 4. Select System Tools. 5. Select System Information. 6. When the System Information window opens, highlight System Summary on the left-hand side. 7. On the top menu, click File. 8. Select Export. 9. Enter a name to save the file as, such as System Snapshot. 10. Save it to the Windows desktop. 11. Compress the file and attach it to your email correspondence with iolo Technologies. Creating a .zip file using Winzip. 1. Download Winzip. An evaluation version of Winzip is available free at http://www.winzip.com. Plan B, you may also install 7-zip. 2. Using Windows Explorer, locate the first file you want to zip. 3. Right-click on the file and select Winzip Add to Zip File. 4. In Add to Archive, enter the path and name you want your .zip file to have. 5. On the Winzip window that appears, click Add and select any other files you would like to add to your .zip file. 6. When you are done, select File Close Archive. Acceptable compressed file types, zip, LZH, ARJ, ARC, CAB, TAR, TGZ, TOS, TZ, GZ, Z, UU, UUE, XXE, B64, HQX, BHX or MIM.